Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you how easy it is to record data on a USB stick for further processing or analysis. First of all, you have to connect a USB stick or an SD card to your PRESTO. Now let's have a look at the menu. Choose the submenu Record Data. Before you activate the recording, you have to set a file name and a sampling time. Back on the home screen, you will find a blue floppy disk in the top left. If you press it, you will get more information about the process. By the way, you can unplug the USB stick while the PRESTO is still running. No problem. You can also read out the so-called black box of the unit, which stores all relevant data and logs alarm and warning messages. With your data carrier connected, simply choose Save Black Box Data at the Record Data menu. If necessary, you can also change the file name. When ready, press OK. In case of any problem, you simply send the black box data to our technical support. They will provide you with the fastest and most efficient solution. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.